In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet essential task that every Shopify store owner should know. We'll walk through the steps to adjust your tax settings on Shopify, ensuring you're accurately managing taxes without charging sales tax on shipping. This brief tutorial will make the process easy to understand so you can make these adjustments with confidence. To get started, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the Shopify website. If you haven't done so already, open up your preferred web browser and type in Shopify in the address bar. Hit enter, and once on the home page, log in using your store's credentials to access your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you'll find all the main controls and settings for your store. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's crucial for managing various aspects of your online shop. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the lower left corner of your screen. You'll find a menu labeled Settings. Clicking on this will bring up a new panel featuring several options related to different areas of your store management. Here, look for the option that says Tax and Duties. This is where you can adjust various tax settings specific to your store's needs. Click on it and you'll be taken to a new page dedicated to taxes and duties. Now you're in the Tax and Duties section. Scroll down and pay close attention to the settings related to taxes on your products and shipping. You'll notice a couple of checkboxes with options beside them, one that says Charge Sales Tax on Shipping and another saying Include Sales Tax in Product Price and Shipping Rate. By default, Shopify may have these checked, depending on your store's initial setup or regional defaults. To ensure that you're not charging unexpected taxes, you'll want to uncheck both of these boxes. Unchecking Charge Sales Tax on Shipping helps prevent additional charges on customers during checkout that might surprise them or make your shipping rates seem higher than expected. Similarly, unchecking Include Sales Tax in Product Price and Shipping Rate ensures transparent pricing, displaying base prices without tax included. By following this simple guide, you've now adjusted your tax settings effectively. Always remember to click Save after you've made these changes to ensure they are applied to your shop. It's a small but significant adjustment that can improve the overall transparency and customer satisfaction of your online store. And there you have it. Adjusting tax settings on Shopify can be done swiftly, allowing you to focus more on growing your business. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on optimizing your Shopify store. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy selling.